Hello, today we're going to be exploring nature. Here's the grass. Here's the tree. Here's the bushes. Here's the other tree. Let's wonder what else about nature. Do they have hibernations for bears? And do they have more things to do with nature? We're going on a nature hike. Here's more grass and more plants. Plants just keep on growing every single year. All they do is grow and grow and grow. They will never stop growing until the winter, but they will still not stop growing. Winter is the only month that will make them stop growing. Do you know why? Because they're always going to grow. Look at these flowers. Aren't they beautiful? Let's look at all these. Isn't these beautiful? Let's look at those flowers. Isn't this beautiful?
Honey, let me be the camera person.
Here's my friend Olivia.
Hold the camera.
So
It looks good in this lighting.
There's more about nature everywhere. Do bears hibernate? Do the plants keep on growing every single year? Do they do everything? No, they do not do everything. Because some plants are extinct.
Shh.
And some flowers are still alive, but they just don't grow that much. Some flowers grow on the beach, some flowers grow in the forest, some flowers grow everywhere. Even some flowers grow in pots, dirt, grass.
Now you gotta say, and that's our tour of nature.
And that's our tour of nature. I hope you have a good day. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, or a thumbs down if you don't. And you can comment down below, and you can still subscribe. Bye.
Which one? Pause.